Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, my name's Shamar Clark. Gonna be drinking, smoking, swearing. You don't like those things? We'll leave now because here I come in 3, 2, 1. Bang! Gotcha. Look. Welcome, everybody. My name's Shamar Clark. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. In case you didn't notice, just had to warn you. Look! All right, brothers, we got a good show every night. Got a great show every night. We're going to talk about Tron. Sun Network has released. It is alive. It lives. So we're going to talk. All right. So we're going to talk about the Tron Sun Network thing. And then we got to get serious, though, with our money now. Yes, the Tron thing will be the fun thing, guys. Look, you guys know I try to bring you the fun. But look, we got to talk about it. This motherfucker right here. The SEC has delayed 3 ETF applications. So they're not denied. They haven't denied the applications, but they've delayed the rulings. Yes, obviously, we got to talk about that. And then look, though. I like to leave you with a little money talk. Bakkt, coming in Q3. They've done testing. It's a success. Bang! We're going to talk about that. Let's get some fucking money. Let's get some shit. Let's get some Tron, some money, some Bakkt. Let's go. Bang. Look. All right, guys. I don't know, man. I'm feeling good tonight. My buddy was just over here. It's fucking 4 in the morning. I haven't even slept yet. Just feeling good. Fuck it. It's good to do this shit. Do it. Fuck it. All right, brothers, sisters, boys and girls, cats and dogs. Look, let's refresh. All right, let's get serious. All right, guys, I'm sorry. All right, let's get serious. All right, let's refresh this motherfucker right here. All right. Oh, shit. Really? Like that? All right, guys. Price of Bitcoin tonight is $11,327.45 as of 4:45 a.m. on the East Coast time in America. Now, when I left you on Saturday, it was $11,393. So, this is a bullshit. Fucking, it didn't really do anything at all. Just, we're ranging hard. What's called consolidation. So, price is consolidating, I guess, around the 11.3. Anyway, for today, for the weekend, the whole weekend, right? We didn't have any moves. The past few weekends, since we broke through the 10,000 and, psychological area support and resistance, right? We went to 14,000, all the way down to 9,500, and then we've been bouncing, and it looks like we found our consolidation point at around 11.3 right here. So, went up $50 or $70, whatever that is. All right. Look, brothers, sisters, cats, dogs, gay, straight, black, white. Look, nation. All right, I'm being silly. Yeah, my buddy was here. I've already been drinking, so. Like, usually when I see you guys, I know you guys probably are like, yeah, this guy's drinking. Yeah, that's when I start. Yeah, I've already been doing it. So look, brothers. Top 10 today, brothers. I've been doing it for a minute. Yes, usual suspects, brothers. Look. Top 10. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Binance Coin, Tether, EOS, Bitcoin SV, and Monero still holding the number 10 strong. Look at you. Look. What we got? Market moves today, brothers. Yes. A lot of blood red. Well, that ain't blood red. That's just red. All right. Well, single is up, single is down. Shit. Single is up, single is down. Single is up, single is down. Single to the top, down, single to the down. Look, brothers. Let's see who lost money today. You know what to do. You see anything here you like, well, you go get it. Why? You know why. This motherfucker's on sale. Look. Let's see what we got. Look, brothers. Top 10 losers today, brothers. Maximind Coin, Vest Chain, GX Chain, Egretia, Odom, Nash Exchange, Cosmos, Chainlink, Bitcoin, and look, Ox. Yes. Look. Let's see who made money today, brothers. I saw a big one there. Yes. Look at this fuckstick right here. BitUSD. Well, that's a disgusting chart. Look. Top 10 of the day, brothers. BitUSD, ABBC Coin, Clipper Coin, Komodo, Japan Content, Lambda, Next, Hedge Trade, Metaverse EDB, and Dash. Look. Let's see what the total market cap of the day is, brothers. Look. What do we got? 284.5. Oh, we haven't really done fuck all. Yeah, we're really consolidating. We're really consolidating hardcore right now. Like, right? We're consolidating hardcore. Look. Not top 10. Okay, settle down, brother. I'm in a good mood, guys. Like I told you, I've already been fueling. To tell you the truth. When I usually see you, I'm just beginning my day for the slaughter. Well, these guys are going to get a little extra dose. So look, 294.5 today, brothers, is our total market cap of the day. And when I left you on Saturday, it was 293.4. So, I mean, fuck, what's that? 1 point fuck all billion. Right? 1.1 billion. All right. Look. What do we got? Volume. Shit, look at that. Volume is way down. See, that's what I want to see, though. Like, I want to tell you something, guys. I want to see volume in this market. Volume is liquidity. I mean, it's not liquidity. I'm exaggerating a little bit, but just it shows interest. Volume shows interest, right? You know what I mean? I don't care if the price goes up, down today, or whatever, but I want to see more volume in the market on a day-to-day basis, right? The market cap is great, but that's only what people have bought, and it's there. I like to see the daily activity. You know what I'm saying? If that makes sense. All right? All right. Anyway, brothers, look. What we got? 43.5. Oh, okay. We went way down in volume. So we're at 55.0 when I left you on Saturday. And today we're at 43.5. So that's pretty much a $6.5 billion drop in volume today, giving us actually a very negligible drop in market cap. So, I mean, obviously that's from Saturday to today, so it doesn't really correlate, and a negligible drop in the Bitcoin. Bitcoin was 11,393. Now we're 11,327. So, I mean, what the fuck is that? That's about $60 down. So, yeah, we're consolidating so tightly. Nothing's going on right now. I had a bunch of brothers this weekend. Actually, today I think I talked to them. You know, everyone's talking about money. Yeah, well, volatility is good. Shamari, the market's going to crash. Yeah, fucker. Well, what are you complaining about? I hope you have an account so you can short that shit. Make some money off it. Yes. Fuck. All right. Yeah, well, markets don't do anything. Well, that's what it looks like. Shamari, America's going to crash. Great. Bring me the fucking, let me short this shit. These guys are freaking out on me this weekend, or the other night, or last night, whatever. Anyway, look. Tron lovers. Boom lovers. Yes, sun lovers. Let's go. Olé. Oh, man, this is too much. This is too much. Look. Tron officially releases Sidechain scaling solution Sun Network. All right. See what Justin's up to. I noticed there's a bunch of you guys out there. You guys don't like Justin Sun. Look, man. Let me tell you something. And a bunch of you even say shit to me about him. And I always say the answer, but I'm going to say this again. I'm going to just say this to everybody, not just the private, the way you comment or you tweet me or whatever. Guys, Justin Sun, look, he's a fucking little kid. The kid's not even 30. Yeah, he's a billionaire all of a sudden, right? I know. He plagiarized this. All right. He's just a marketing guy. Look, gentlemen, what are we around about these parts? Revenue generation. Now, all I got to ask you, I don't give a fuck if you like him. I don't give a fuck if you like his tweets. But I want to ask you something. Does Tron blockchain make money? Does it generate revenue? Yes. So stop your fucking complaining about this kid. He's a fucking little kid. He's not too bright. You know, he's a fucking kid. Give him a break. All you got to worry about is, are you going to make money off that? Bang! When the institutional investors arrive. Well, it's generating revenue, isn't it? All right, then. Look, brothers. Fuck, that felt really serious there. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't mean to. Let me lighten it up. Fuck, felt serious. But because you guys do tell me that. You guys get it. No, you don't get angry at me, but you, Justin Sun's a scammer and Justin this, that. Look, brothers. What do we care around here? Revenue generating product. I don't give a fuck how stupid that little fuckstick is. As long as he keeps that motherfucker producing money, look, I don't know what the problem is. Yeah, what are you complaining about? You know what I mean? Well, don't invest in it then. Buy something else. All right. All right, guys. I love you guys. You know it. All right, let's go. Look. Wait, first let me have a sip, and then we'll give you a look. I mean, it is true. I know he's fucked up. And one guy, he's like, yeah, but the car thingy. Man, he's an idiot. But he's a kid, and so the PR people and the fucking lawyers and everything, they'll get his ass in line. I don't give a fuck about this thing making money or not. I don't give a fuck about your tweets. You making money with this shit? All right. And that's all the fuck the institutional investors are going to care about as well. I mean, they are going to care about a little bit of this shit, so he is going to have to get real. That's true. I will admit that. They're not going to take kindly to childishness. You know, like it's your own toy. Yeah, but the PR people and all that, they'll get them good away. They'll get them squared away. Look, let's get into it. Look, blockchain-based, decentralized application platform, DApps, Tron, TRX, has announced the release of a sidechain scaling solution, the Sun Network, in a blog post published on August 11th. Yes. Look, Tron has released the V1.0 code for the Sun Network, which is a scaling solution designed to enhance and ensure the supposedly unlimited scaling capacity of the Tron mainnet. Unlimited scaling, trying to get like IOTA, unlimited, infinite scaling. And that's the thing. Let me tell you something a little bit about this motherfucker here, Tron. Look, I'm not a little tech nerd, but I do pay attention to stuff. It's not like I'm completely ignorant. I don't just look at the way they make money. I do look at shit, but I just don't talk about it to you guys. But look, let me tell you something. Tron, right? Unlimited scaling. He's getting IOTA version scaling. IOTA is limitless. That's what Tron did. What else did Tron do? Tron just got the multi-sig. That's, you know, multi-sig. Multi-sig is that shit for institutional investor grade. These little tiny little, those are the real enhancements as an investor that I care about. And I believe that the investors that care about, you let people vote this way or that way and all that. Who gives a fuck about all that? But look, you got multi-sig. That's investment grade shit. You got fucking this shit like here, scaling, unlimited, bang. That's the kind of shit people are going to care about. Look, telling you. Look. All right, let's move on, brothers. You know, So, what do we got here? Unlimited scaling capacity of the Tron mainnet. Yes. So, this will purportedly let dApps consume less energy and run with higher security and efficiency on Tron. So, the post further reads that the Sun Network supports smart contract transactions and more customizable requirements, such as setting sidechain incentives, transaction rates, and confirmation speed, among other features. The post explains the overall solution of the Sun Network will provide unlimited scalability to the Tron mainnet. Well, we shall see, allowing for more possibilities to the development of Tron dApps and the entire ecosystem. The solution also strives to bring positive impacts to the whole blockchain industry while flourishing the Tron network and save the world and the animals and bring world peace. Yes, great. Yes. I love this. Love that corporate speak. All right. Tron. That's not corporate speak. I'm being an asshole. That's not corporate speak. He's telling you, but the end of it was corporate speak. You know that bullshit. But the beginning was the real shit they're doing. All right. I was just being a dick. All right. Stop being a dick, Shamari. Look. Settle down, brothers. You're having too much fun now. Settle down. So look. Tron initially revealed the expansion plan for its second layer scalability solution this spring, with the network's testnet launch in late May. At the time, Tron said that it plans to launch an optimization process for improving the ease of using the network and facilitating the deployment of sidechains in mid-September. Remember we were talking about that shit earlier this year? Tron, remember we talked about this shit? They're giving developers all like help, right? Like if you're a developer and you want to develop on Tron, you can like, I guess, call them up or something and they help you, right? And so optimizing the process, improving the ease of using the network, and that's what they've been doing, improving the ease of using. Yeah, you want to be the DApp? Yeah, we'll help you. That's the difference. Like Ethereum, you just have to know how to, plus Ethereum, I think they have their own coding language, don't they? I don't remember what the name is, but you have to use, you just have to know how to do it. There's no one to call. Hey, I'm trying to build this DApp. How can I port my blah, blah, blah to your blah, blah, or, some bullshit like this. Nah, but with Tron, yeah, developers can call up. Hey, I'm trying to do this. I'm trying to get that going on, bang, bang. They're saying to a tech support guy, he'll fucking help you. Yeah. That's how Tron's doing it. All right. We talked about that, but just a little reminder. All right, look. Earlier in August, Tron's founder, Justin Sun, claimed that the first version of Sun Network will allow for 100 times scalability and the building of decentralized applications on sidechains, as well as allowing for longer smart contract execution times and interchange withdrawals and deposit. Look. Tron, bang, bang. Look. Upgrade. Look, bang. All right, Tron. There you go, guys. So Justin Sun keeping it ripping, keeping it roaring. But that's the little things, those little things. The multi-sig is what I liked. We talked about that. He did the multi-sig thing. Not he, but, the Tron team did the multi-sig thing. That's institutional grade. Institutional grade investment is that multi-sig. Actually, that's the real one I care about with this Tron thing so far. I'd like them to get quantum proof as well. That would help. But look. So far, you got multi-sig and what are we dealing with here? Again? Scalability. All right, he's just scaling up. All right. But look, guys, that's how it goes, brothers. Multi-sig, scalability, Justin Sun, delivering. But you know what he didn't deliver on, though? Lock, Tron lovers. And I know there's a bunch of you. Justin Sun said there was some sort of surprise that was going to come later this week, wasn't there? Remember I read it to you last week? Oh, fuck this. I'm going to look right here. All right. What did he say? Yeah, Tron announced a secret project. On August the 9th, 4 days ago, he said he had a secret project. So look, I'll be waiting and telling you about it. I love Tron, whatever. It's all good. Look, generates revenue. What's not to love? Look, Justin Sun. Bye. Let's move on. Oh, and this shit story here. I wish I could stay at this Tron story, but look. I gotta talk about this shit right here. All right, guys. Yeah, man. So the ETFs, man. Fuck. Delayed. Yep. 3 of them. SEC delayed all 3. SEC delayed all motherfucking 3 of them. Oh, man. Now I'm in a bad mood. Shit. All right. Look. Let me get a shot. So look, brothers. The SEC delays the decision again for 3 Bitcoin ETFs. They delayed Bitwise. They delayed the VanEck Solid X and Wilshire Phoenix. Well, aren't they a bunch of motherfuckers? Look, man, it's not the end of the world. Well, you're acting like it is. I know, because I'm angry. Because I just had a good Justin Sun thing, and I had to come and tell you this, guys. I had to tell you guys this. I didn't want to talk about this. But look. That's what it is, what it is. All right, guys, look. So we're waiting for the ETFs. But this is the bitch. Look, the VanEck and the Solid X and the Wilshire Phoenix one. All right, I don't know. But the Bitwise one? Why a delay? They're using 10 motherfucking exchanges for the price discovery. 10. What more do you fucking want, SEC? Huh? The fuck? Look. Right now here in America, the CFTC, we have futures, the CBOE futures contracts. Yeah, you know how many exchanges we get price discovery from? 3. Your CBOE futures right now here in America are based on 3 price discoveries. 3. Huh. Bitwise is like, homeboy. Hey, SEC. 3. Look. We'll give you 10. And the SEC is going to do this kind of shit right here. They're going to do this. Delay shit. They're going to delay shit. We're giving you 10 price discoveries. What the fuck? Price manipulation? Oh, we're going to read about it. Oh, we're going to fucking read about it. Oh, I'm going to get real angry about it. Oh, shit. I'm glad the story at the afterwards. Oh, my gosh. Right? The SEC here in America, brothers. These guys are some motherfuckers. All right, come on, man. Let me just get into it, man. Fuck. Because I'm angry. Fuck. It pissed me off right there. When I heard this, when I saw this, I was like, get the fuck. That's it, brothers. But they're delayed. All right. Hold on. Look. Is there no silver lining, Shamari? Yes, there is. Because it's only a delay, not a denial. But I mean, come on, man. All right, let me read on and then I'll talk to you because there's more to, I gotta, fuck. Oh my gosh. I'm so pissed off, man. Well, I'm not. I'm pissed off about this story. The next one I'm going to tell you, look. We're going to have a good time next story. So let's just get through this piece of shit. Fuck. Move on. All right, look. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Committee, the SEC, has decided for the delay, not a denial, so it's not over. So, Shamori, well, you're making it sound all crazy. I know. I got a little rowdy there. Guys. My bad. I just, fuck the bad news, because the SEC, they just won't fucking give us anything, right? The CFTC, everybody's giving us shit. Fucking SEC's not giving us nothing. All right, let's move on. Look, has decided to delay on the decision about 3 different Bitcoin exchanges, exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These are the most recent ETFs, the ones filed by VanEck and SolidX, Bitwise Asset Management, and Wilshire Phoenix. If approved, they would be launched at CBOE, BZX, and the New York Stock Exchange, ARCA. Yes, ARCA. That's the big goods. Yes. I'm not going to explain to you what that is. Look it up. Look it up on Investopedia. As the official time for a decision, 200. All right, so now I got to get real. So look, guys, as the official time for decision, 240 days was about to be reached. The decision of the SEC was very unsurprising. They simply decided not to make the decision right now. So, you know how here in America, all right, hold on, let me read on and I'll explain it. According to the SEC rules, the entity will have until, I have to explain first. Okay, so how it works here in America is if I want to do something, and I need approval by the SEC, I, put in my application. Then they have 90 days to approve, disapprove, or not make a decision. Right? I told you about the not make a decision part. Yeah, well, these guys don't get the privilege of the not make a decision part. So the SEC said, nope, we're delaying. And you have up to 240 days to make your decision. And so, this is it. So now they've went the 90. They delayed. We remember last year, brothers, we were talking about VanEck back in Q4. We were talking about fucking that other one here. What's this other one here? Bitwise. Oh, the Bitwise one. And that's the one that's pissing me off. Bitwise said, we're going to give you fucking 10 motherfucking exchanges to get our fucking price discovery. If they're not going to approve the Bitwise shit, what the fuck, dogs? Yeah. See what I'm saying? Talking about price manipulation. Motherfuckers have 10 exchanges to get you price discovery. Look, first of all, if you're new here, what an ETF in the futures is based on the underlying asset. The underlying asset's the Bitcoin. So where do you get your price discovery from? You gotta, what price is your Bitcoin? Okay, I gotta explain it because I'm angry. I gotta calm down. All right, so guys, look. If you're new here, you got to get price discovery, right? So an ETF or a futures, well, it's based on the underlying asset. So where are you going to get your pricing from? And so the problem with the SEC here in America is that they don't trust the price because of price manipulation. This is such a small market. I know. You're a worker bee, so you probably think it's something big, but some shit like this, 240, what do we got? $240 billion? Yeah. You know what? Apple is a $1 trillion company, has 5 more times than this whole market. In other words, this is a tiny, shitty little crackhead market. Okay? Not gonna lie to you. Not gonna lie. But you're here, dog, you're investing. Yeah, well, there's a tsunami coming, so we're gonna invest in it. But let's get real about what's happening here. And what I mean about that, or why I'm emphasizing that, is that just that it makes it easily manipulatable. Yeah, you can manipulate it, right? If you're on, remember this is 240, or sorry, not 240. Wait. Oh, 294 billion. My bad. All right, 294 billion. Yeah, but spread amongst all these exchanges. Now, the key is, or the part is, the fuckery is that if I'm going to offer a futures contract or a ETF, well, I have to get the price from somewhere. So I have to show the SEC where I'm going to get the price from, right? I don't own the Bitcoin. I get the price from somewhere. And man, our SEC, they're really just not letting these guys do anything. Like, so what Bitwise, and so the reason I'm complaining, well, why are you complaining, dog, you motherfucker? You sound like you want like a bitch. Yeah, why do you talk to me like that, brother? I'm trying to help you. But the reason I'm complaining is because Bitwise, they said we are going to use 10 motherfucking exchanges to get our price. I don't give a fuck, homeboy, how much money you got. You're going to manipulate maybe 2, maybe, well, I mean, people wouldn't even do that because you get caught, but 1 or 2, yeah, but the other 7 will stabilize the price. So things should be good. The SEC's not having it. The SEC's like, nope, not good enough. Not good enough, brother. Fuck. All right, let me talk a little bit more, man. So, on the 240-day thing, that's what we were talking about too, right? Yeah, so, yeah, and then, all right, so let's get to this. So according to the SEC rules, the entity will have until October 13th and 18th to decide for SolidX and Bitwise ETFs, and until September 29th for Wilshire's ETFs. So, bang, here we go, brothers. Fuck. Oh, my gosh. This is really pissing me off. So, guys, look. September 29th. I'm going to write this fucking shit down. Fuck this shit. Fuck this shit. I'm going to write this fucking shit down. September 29th. I'm going to leave it right here. I'm going to post it right on my wall right here. September 29th. We have Wilshire ETF ruling. Oh, yeah, fucker. I'm going to watch these sons of bitches. I'm going to watch these motherfuckers real hard. Yeah. See how I'm doing it? Look away. Look away. See how I do it? ETF rulings. Wilshire, bang. September 29th. And then what are they saying? October 13th for the SolidX. So ETFs, brothers. Liquidity. And then we got October 18th. What's that one? Oh, the Bitwise, and that's the one. That's the one. 10 motherfucking exchanges, and you're not gonna fucking approve it, man. I'm not gonna bullshit you, which I never do. You always say but. I know, because I don't bullshit you, fuck sticks. I don't know if the SEC is gonna approve fuck all anytime this year. Anyway, man, let's move on. Look. Unfortunately, it is simply extremely hard to approve an ETF right now. The SEC is very concerned about market manipulation in the crypto market. That's the problem. So it's very unlikely to approve any of it while the issues are not properly addressed. And that's what we were talking about. It's true. Look at the tiny market. I showed you this little piece of shit. Anyone can manipulate that. But Bitwise, the reason I'm angry, Bitwise, I'm not angry. The world is the world. I got to just live with it. But just Bitwise, they're going to offer 10 exchanges for the price discovery. You can't manipulate all 10. You can't manipulate all 10. The SEC is being a little strict. But, and let me say it this way to leave on a good note. Yeah, well, that's why everyone looks at the SEC. Yeah, that's why the countries wait for what we do. Because they don't fuck around, right? One thing you know, you're never going to be cheated. And if anyone tries to cheat you, well, they're getting arrested and thrown in jail. But it's just annoying. I know, guys. I know. I'm like you guys. I'm just like you. Right? I know a bunch of the brothers out there. Shamari, when? Fuck, motherfucker. I got, you know how many VChat I got? I want that shit to jump off, too. You know how many IOTA, Stellar, fucking Litecoins and everything I got? Look, man. It's going to happen when it happens. But it's going to happen. And that's what matters. So look, brothers. All right, where are we at? To approve any of it while issues are not probably addressed. As the SEC sees the crypto market as still very unregulated and prominent to manipulation, the entity has several concerns about what an ETF might mean. A lot of BTC, Bitcoin trading, is said to be wash trading. I know. And that's the bullshit. The wash trade. All right, hold on. And several whales, wealthy investors, have the means to move the market the way they want to. And that's what we're talking about. You're a big old whale. You can fucking rock this shit. Fucking $240 billion. That ain't fuck all. That ain't fuck all when you're doing it from because remember where they get their price discovery from. So price discovery comes from those exchanges. Well, if I'm a whale, I only have to manipulate the exchanges that your price discovery is being taken from. You see what I'm saying? Fuck. I mean, I get what the SEC is doing and everything, but... Oh, and what I want to say to you guys, actually, I thought about this earlier when I thought about the story, is that, look, the CFTC, right now we've got futures contracts, the CBOE futures contracts. Yeah, they're only getting price discovery from 3 exchanges. And Gemini, they're going to bring on, what do they say? Remember, I read it to you. I'll read it again right here. Right, I read it to you the other last week. Right? They're gonna Gemini added to the CME. All right, the CME, right? That's not the CBOE. The CME crypto benchmark pricing, and so for price discovery, and so you know, in the CFTC in the futures market here in America, man, they're letting these guys get away with fucking 3-4 exchanges to get their price discovery. The SEC are being a bunch of assholes. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Yeah, you're just a little drunk, Shamar. Look, I'm feeling good. But there are assholes. The CFTC is giving us three. All right, look, settle down. Hold on, look. The CFTC, we have 3 fucking exchanges giving us the price discovery for their futures contracts. Is there any manipulation happening? No. So, SEC, Bitwise, and this is all right, let me move back over here so I can show you. Bitwise, they're going to give you 10 fucking exchanges for price discovery. 10. Bitwise. Bye. They're going to give you 10. The SEC's not doing it. Right? They're assholes. So these are different regulatory bodies here in America. SEC, FINRA, CFTC. Yeah, CFTC's like, you got 3 exchanges for price discovery? Have at it. SEC's being fucked up, brothers. All right. Man, I just wanted to get that across, man. This is pissing me off. So, because of all these issues, it is considered to be hard to believe that the ETF will be out anytime this year. There won't be. Fuck the ETF. We're not getting that shit this year. I'll tell you that right now. As none of the 3 companies have provided any guarantee that the market will not suffer from manipulation. Well, they don't have to make you have no manipulation. They have to just make sure that they give you enough price discovery that no one can manipulate the price. Look, brothers. Let's just get some money talk. Fuck this. I want to get out of here. That's pissing me off. Look. All right, no, we got to get real, though. But so, so guys, the ETFs, I know. The ETFs are being approved for now. They're not approved, but they're not denied. And like I said, we have the dates, October 13th, 18th, and September, and hopefully we can get something. Personally, I think the Bitwise ETF is the one. If there's one that should break through, it should be that, because they've got the 10. Remember we read about it. Oh, we read about it? Yeah, we read about it in Q1. Remember when they first did it, they did the study. Remember where they told the SEC, yeah, these are the 10 exchanges that actually have real trades on them, right? They're not manipulated trade numbers. And we're going to use only these 10, right? I think SolidX is going to do like 11. And I don't remember Wilshire, how many they're going to do, but right? And so they told me we're going to do these 10. And why am I telling you that? Why are we going with this? So we should get approval. I mean, I don't know what the fuck the problem is, right? The CFTC is giving these guys futures. And that's the good news I want to tell you too. Look, man, these guys aren't going to give us ETFs. Fuck it. As long as we get these futures, that'll still bring liquidity. I mean, not much, not as much. But an ETF is just, it's an exchange. It's a fund. We need physically settled futures. Not only does it bring us, all right, let me calm down. Not only does a physically settled futures bring us all liquidity, in other words, money comes in, but look, it takes Bitcoin out of the market. Scarcity. Yes. All right, me silly. Scarcity, brothers, right? We get the scarcity. And that's the really thing. So don't get too pissed off. Well, you're pissed off. I know, man, but don't you get pissed off. I want you to go back to your wives and lives. Look, Bakkt. Yes, and this is going to make you happy. ICE-backed cryptocurrency startup to launch 2 Bitcoin futures in Q. What? Which Q? Now I know, Bob. Bob doesn't believe. They're never going to do it. Shamari, they're a bunch of bullshitters. He doesn't say that to me, but that's what he feels. I can feel it inside. I love Bob. So look, Bob, that's what they're saying, brother. Q3, brother. We're in it. We're in Q3 right now. All right? So look. Let's get my brother Bob happy. Atta Bob. Look. Let's get him happy. Yes. The airdrop master. Well, when we had them. We always be remembered as that. Yes. Champion airdrop master. He used to murder us. Milk this cow. All right, look, brothers. Bakkt. ICE-backed cryptocurrency startup to launch 2 Bitcoin futures in Q3 of 2019. Yeah. Look. So, and this is the beauty, and that's why I'm reading this story, because the beta testing. Hold on, let me get it. Hold on. Settle down, brothers. Slow down, brothers. Slow down. Let me get a sip. Getting too fast. Going too fast. Moving too quick. Settle down. Oh, my gosh. Sorry about this, guys. Probably been drinking. Hey, guys. Here comes the shit. Yeesh. Gross. Why are you drinking it then? Well, look. I like the feeling after. No pain, no gain, brother. Look. The beta test. Hold on. All right. The beta testing of Bitcoin futures contract for ICE-backed crypto asset trading platform Bakkt was carried out. What? Oh, you're not going to let me. Oh, there you go. Bang! Successfully. So, guys, this is great news. Great news for us. Great news for everybody. They carried out the test of it. Remember, they launched the test on the 22nd of last month. Where are we at here? Was this August? July of last month, the 22nd, they launched the test part. Bang! And then they say, it's successful. Yes, brothers. It's successful. As per the press release from Mr. Adam White, the CEO of Bakkt. Look. The platform has industrially launched customer acceptance testing for its cryptocurrency futures traded and cleared at Intercontinental Exchange. All right. Bakkt and its parent company, ICE, want to introduce physical delivered. That's what we need, brothers. Well, we need it all, but fuck, we need everything. But That's a good beginning right there. Physical delivered futures contracts for a wide number of market partakers in more than 28 countries around the globe. Bang! And that's the other thing. When this motherfucker launches, guys, I'm not going to bullshit you. I didn't know this was an international thing. I thought this Bakkt thing was just for Americans, which was good enough. Yeah, good enough start right there, brother. Good enough start right there. Look. 28 countries around the globe? I didn't hear that before. I didn't hear that one before. Oh, this makes me so happy. I didn't hear that one before. Look, brothers. "28 countries being able to physically settle futures." I don't give a fuck about lock. This is the prestigious list. But, I mean, that list of 28 countries, that brings us liquidity. I'll tell you that right now. So look. Is now trying to set, what's going on here? Is now trying to set actual rollout date for its Bitcoin futures initiative as it waits for the endorsement from NYDFS. Oh, the NYDFS. We've talked about these motherfuckers before. New York Department of Financial Services, as the block reveals. If the custody solution is successfully sanctioned in time, then the official launch might be in the third quarter of 2019, according to ICE CEO Jeffrey Sprecher. But, so we're still waiting for the NYDFS shit, huh? But look, I didn't care. The reason I'm really reading you the story, we already knew about the NYDFS bullshit. What I care about is 28 countries? I didn't know it was a huge thing around the globe. Right? That's going to bring us liquidity from everywhere. Everywhere. Well, for 28 countries, but I'm sure the countries they picked aren't shitholes. You know what I mean, guys? I'm not trying to be rude, but just saying. You know what I mean? I'm sure they're prominent. So that's why I'm really bringing it up. That, I was like, what? I didn't know. I thought it was just an America thing. So, as of now, ICE is still waiting for the first verdict from the New York Department of Financial Services. Oh, our friends at the NYDFS. Look, brothers, those are our buddies at the NYDFS. All right, I'm being silly. On whether or not it can operate the Bakkt warehouse. We all know we talked about it, right? They don't want to warehouse their own money. If at all is approved, then the platform will work as a limited purpose trust firm and further work as a complement custodian for the real Bitcoin underlying its cryptocurrency and Bitcoin futures contracts. They'll hold the custody. They'll have the custody. Although there's currently no authorization of its custody solution, that's the problem, Bakkt is capable of providing the facility required by investors to send and receive Bitcoin for fiat currencies, especially the US dollar, in standardized settlement cycles in the most effective way. The organization plans to launch 2 Bitcoin futures contracts immediately after the endorsement of Bakkt Warehouse. That's what we're talking about. The 2 are Bakkt BTC USD futures contract and Bakkt BTC USD monthly futures contract. So you're going to get paid in a day or a month if you want to do the futures contract with them. We talked about futures. If you don't know about them, go to investopedia.com, Google, or look up futures contract. So look. The crypto asset ecosystem will benefit in the daily Bitcoin futures by making transactions in just a single day, taking them off the market on a daily basis. And the monthly futures will help traders to trade the forward month within the forward pricing curve. That's some technical crap. Generally, ICE and Bakkt will massively fascinate new flows of what? Fascinate new flows of institutional money into the cryptocurrency sector. Well, yes, new money will come in. I don't know if they'll be fascinated. They're going to be happy. They get to make money. So look, with the approval of Bakkt's custody solution and the attraction of fresh institutional. Bang! Look. Bang! Look. Oh, let me even bang this fucker. With the attraction of fresh. Yes. Look, brothers. Taking candy from baby brothers. We need Bakkt. Draw all these fuckers in. Yes. It's like taking candy from baby brothers. Look, I've told you here before, and I've told you a million times. What you're doing here is a once-in-a-lifetime chance. Once in a lifetime, with a regular man, you, worker bee, you have the asset that the rich man wants. Oh, yeah. Oh, and he wants it. Oh, he fucking wants it. He wants it big time. And that's what you've got. You got the asset that the regular man, you're the regular man. You got the asset that the rich man wants. And what? And they're all coming for it. Who's coming for it? The institutional investors. Well, they're going to pay. Well, they're going to pay real good. Real good. Real hard. So you got to build a cryptocurrency warehouse big. Bang! You got to build a cryptocurrency warehouse nice. Bang! You got to get ready for them. How are you going to make money if you don't got shit to sell to them when they get here? Because they're coming to buy. Oh, yes. These boys aren't playing games. They're coming to buy. What are they coming to buy? Shamar, what are they coming to buy? I'll tell you what they're coming to buy. Look, I'm fixing to tell you. Look at here, boy. What they're coming to buy? Revenue-generating product. You feel that cryptocurrency warehouse a revenue-generating product, you will be rich. Or better off than you are anyways. Look, you know what I mean? Revenue-generating. Build a cryptocurrency big. Bang! Build it nice. Bang! And you will be rich. So when they get here, they're not fucking around. You think they're afraid of a fucking $10,000 Bitcoin? Come on, man. Come on, man. We're dealing with bigger levels. So that's why you got to get your cryptocurrency warehouse big. Bang! You got to get it nice. Bang! Because it's a once-in-a-lifetime chance. Once in a lifetime. Every time, what happens in the world? Yeah. The big money has the asset, and then they give you the Facebook. Then they give you the Microsoft. Well, it's a little different this time, isn't it? Yeah. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Look. Things are a little different this time. Yes. A little different this time. Because this time, the regular man has the asset. And that the rich man wants. And this time, the rich man can't just take it from him. Nope. Not like how it usually works. He's going to come buy it from you. So that's why you got to build your cryptocurrency warehouse big. Bang! You got to build it nice. Bang! You got to build it strong. The revenue generating product. Because he has to come pay for it. Oh, and he wants it all. Oh, yeah. Those motherfuckers, they want it all. They are going to get it all. I don't give a fuck. Just give me my money. Look, they're going to get it all. So build it nice. Build it strong. Build it hardcore. Because look. We have an attraction of fresh institutions of us in the industry that contribute to the significant skyrocketing of Bitcoin's price. Look. All right, brothers. Bye. Look. Notifications. What we got? Who we got? Deep Entertainment. What you talking about, DP? Bang. I love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. What we got here? Jamal. Asim. See you, brother. Bang. You hanging around, huh? All right. Glad you enjoy the show. What we got here? What's this guy talking about? All right. Let's read. Alt Cryptech. Alt Cryptech is the most informative ICO listing platform allowing people to track current and upcoming ICOs on a daily basis. We don't deal around ICOs around here, buddy. You got to be making money first, homeboy. You ain't generating revenue, you go fuck yourself. But as far as you go, welcome. Bang! Yeah. Got to make sure you understood. I'm not dissing you, homeboy. Look, what we got. Dipankar, Sankar, Sarkar. All right. blockchain enthusiast, cryptocurrency trader, Bitcoin, blockchain, cryptocurrency. All right, all these hashtags. Look. Thought our mind. Let's educate the crypto community. All right, buddy, you do that. Bang! Welcome. Bam. Oh, there's our brother here. What's he talking about? Look. What's he talking about? Amazon. Bam. First of all, bang. Let everybody see you, brother. Bang. All right, let's see what he's talking about now. Amazon adds managed blockchain solutions to its cloud storage services. All right, whatever. Doesn't help us with our money. But look. Bang. All right, we got, Xena. This one of Poppy's crew. Xena, see you, girl. Bang. Welcome. Tommy Mustache. You read about him. Bang. See you, brother. Love you, brother. Bang. And then here's Poppy, the ringleader right here. Bang. Yes. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. What are you talking about? What's Poppy saying? What the fuck is he saying here? CB Newswire, 500 million Sun Network. Let's see. Let's open it and see what he's saying. A total of 5 contracts triggered. I'm not going to bullshit you. I don't even know what that means, brother. But look. Must be something good if you're fucking give me a fucking picture of it. Bye. I don't know what that means. Look. What we got? Dusham Spelovich. Look. Entrepreneur, startup investor, crypto investor, angel investor, mentor, coach, public speaker. Bitcoin, blockchain, pilot, blockchain. Bang. Look. All right. Welcome. Nice. Yeah. Coming here to learn from me, didn't you? I know what he did. Anyway, we'll talk about that another time. Look. We were talking about BDM's got some other stuff. Oh, this shit. Yeah. Oh, I know. You guys, there's a couple of you guys. All right. So, BDM, bang. I see the New Zealand thing, but also, bang. Herman Monster XRP also gave me that one. I know, guys. I know. I didn't read it. Blah, blah, blah. You can now be paid in crypto in New Zealand. And he says, and that's what I like about Herman. That's why I'm using Herman's one. Because he says, list of nations of champions. Bang! Herman. Not yet, brother. You have to have your whole crypto regulated. Look. It's a fine list, Herman. It's a coveted list. To get on this coveted list, your whole country, all these nations, those 11 right there, all their country is regulated. Just letting people get paid in crypto, that's not worthy. Not worthy, brother. Too coveted, too valuable. If I let it go like that, then everyone's going to think I'm a whore. Whatever. All right, I'm being an idiot. But that doesn't work. That doesn't work. Just letting people get paid in crypto in your country, that doesn't work. All right. I love you guys, though. Bang! Wait, did I give him a bang? Just in case. Look, Herman. Bang! Actually, I didn't. So there you go. All right. Yeah, you got to have the full shit. Oh, the theta. I know, man. You guys are talking about the theta. Benny and bang about the theta. And someone else even talked to me about theta tonight. Was it? Oh, I guess they tweeted me on a private thing. But yeah, I know the theta coin, guys. And it's on my watch list. It's been on my watch list from Q3 last year. They do have Samsung and Sony, and they can come up with stuff. But the article you gave me right there, BDM, yeah, that's theta. I don't read articles from the company. Like companies talk a lot of bullshit, so I don't read articles from the company itself. Like if you do something, well, I should be able to read it out here in the news. And that's how I do it. So I didn't read the theta one, but I just full disclosure, theta is on my watch list. They've partnered with Samsung and Sony. and a fucking bunch of them. I don't know these names though, but yeah, man, I'm watching it, but that's why I didn't read it tonight, just because it's not a full thing. All right, moon landing. Bye. Yeah. I know we're gonna talk about this tomorrow. I didn't want to do this tonight because it doesn't really do with our money, but it kind of does. So the China money thing, we're gonna do it. All right, but let's move on. Luis, electronic engineer, cable splicer, crypto blockchain enthusiast, blessed and extremely grateful of life. Bang! All right, well, life is good. Look, BIT, long the bottom, ignore the chop, then short the top. All right, buddy. Good for you. All right, bang, let's do this. Boom. Yeah. Look, brothers. All right, we had a great show tonight. Greatest show on the earth in the multiverse. What else do you expect? Tron Sun Network release. Bang. You got the, what do we get? What Tron do there? Right? It was the two things. I mean, I talked about the multi-sig, but he did the new thing tonight. That was good. Shit. Let's go. I gotta go back and look. Because it was important, so I want to make sure I say it. What was that? Oh, scaling. Yes, unlimited scaling. Look, Tron. Scaling. IOTA style. Bang. Unlimited scaling. You got some fucking defense. Bang. You got multi-sig. Yes. For institutional investor grade investments. Good look, Tron. Justin Sun. I know you motherfuckers don't like this guy. Look, man, he's a little kid. Give him a little break. You know? As long as it's making money, what the fuck? You know? It's fucking make your money off it. All right, look. See, this story. The SEC delayed the 3 ETF applications. That's all we can do. Just wait. You know, there's nothing else to say about that fucking bullshit right there. I gave you the dates. What do we got? We got September 29th for Wilshires. Well, I'll be watching. October 13th for SolidX. Again, I'll be watching. And then October 18th for Bitwise. Again, the Bitwise one, though. If that one doesn't go through, I'm not going to lie to you. That's not going to be pleasing. Because you're giving 10 exchanges for your price discovery. What the fuck? You know, so we'll get to there when we get there. And then Bakkt futures coming Q3. They said they did their test launch. They said it was successful. So get ready to onboard the institutions and let's ride off. So look, let's ride off us. Let me shill it and kill it. Get you back to Wives and Lives. Subscribe below. Press the bell. You get automatic notifications when I do this show. It's your favorite time of my day. My name's Shamar Clark. Love talking crypto. Love talking money. Bang! It's your favorite time of my day. Look. So look, guys. We had a great show. Yeah, we got Tron. We got SEC. We got Bakkt. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for having my home. Why do I keep saying that? Thank you for having me in your home. Hope to see you tomorrow. All right, my name's Shamar Clark. Look. I'm always on duty. Bye. Over and out.